And in this question, a loop of itna millimeter radius is given, and current is also given. The value of electric current, the value of energy density, right? So energy density is equals to mu is equals to b square by 2 mu naught, right? So I value is given, r value is given. We can calculate b using the formula. So B will be this much and energy density will be B square by 2 mu naught. So 1.28 into 10 to the power of minus 7. Right. So third is the correct option. And here it is asking the reflected energy, reflected wave. So uh, for reflected wave, it is equals to minus B, right? And minus B is equals to BV. So V is equals to minus E by V, right? So minus E by V. So this will be the coefficient, and it is going in the negative direction. That's why here it also negative will be present. So second is the correct. Second will be the correct option. So in this question, it is asked to calculate the current when the battery just started. So when battery just started, this inductor will behave like a straight wire. Okay, so current will be simply V over R, right? That is 10 over 10, 1 ampere. So second is the correct option. Now, let us move to the next question. The internal energy of bosons has become zero at T is equals to Tc. Critical temperature, boson energy is zero. Carnot engine, which is operating between these two temperature efficiency, it is asked to calculate. So to calculate its efficiency, first we have to convert this temperature into Kelvin, right? So to minus 23 degrees Celsius plus 273, right? When we will add it, it will be 3 minus 3 0, 7 minus 2 5 and 2 250. T2 will be 273. We add these two temperatures, so it will be 0 5 50, right? So Carnot engine efficiency is equals to 1 minus Tc by Th, colder temperature upon hotter temperature. So 1 minus, what is colder temperature? Colder is 50, hotter is 250. 0 0 get cancelled out and 5 5 get cancelled out. So 1 minus 1 by 5. So it will be 4 upon 5, and in percentage when we will convert it into 100%, so 20. So the final answer would be 80%. So second is the correct option. Mean free path varies directly with the molecules. This question we have also done in the class. And this question also we have done in the class, that temperature of the substance raised from T1 to T2, change in the entropy is mc ln T2 by T1. The work done in the adiabatic process depends only on, in adiabatic process, using first law. What is the first law of thermodynamics? It is equals to du is equals to del W plus delta Q, right? So in adiabatic process, delta Q is equals to 0. So work done is equals to change in internal energy, and in change in internal energy, du is nothing but ncv dt, right? So work done is directly proportional to change in the temperature. Now in this question, mass is pushed with the velocity this much along a horizontal surface. The piece stops after traveling 30 meters due to friction. Then the latent heat of water is given 80, ice is given 80 calorie per gram. Then the mass of the melted ice. So latent heat L value, we know one formula, Q is equals to ml, right? Mass times latent heat, right? And what is the Q? Q is the energy supplied. What is the energy supplied here? What is supplying the energy? The frictional heat, the friction heat produced due to friction is supplying energy, and the heat produced due to friction is 500 joule, half MVA square. Using energy conservation, you can say heat produced due to friction is 500 joule. So using this formula, 500 is equals to M times L. So M is equals to 500 upon the latent heat, and latent heat is given in calorie per gram. When you will convert in kg, joule per kg, it will be 334,000, and the final answer would be 1.5 gram. So 1.5 is the final answer.